Good morning, first graders. My name is Mrs. Williams, and I'm here to talk to you about social studies today. We're in chapter 3, looking at our world. And today we're going to focus on lesson 1, where things are located. The big question, looking at our world. What is the world like? I'd like you to take a moment to look at this picture. What do you notice? When I look at this picture, I notice that there is one main road running down the center of the picture, and there are 1, 2, 3 other roads. This road is to the left of the main road, and so is this one. And this one goes on both sides, the right and the left side of the road. This road continues at the top of the page, but intersects with another road here at the bottom right side of the picture. There are 2 houses here, and in between the house and the road, there are 2 trees here and 2 trees here. And those trees are in between the house and the road. This road is between these houses. Talk to your parents about what else you notice in this picture.
What is the world like?
The world is like a big ball, and it has something special in it that's called gravity, and it helps roller coasters to go up and down. So that's kind of like what the world is like. Like a place for people to stay and have homes and stuff. Well, I think the world is a place where animals live and where people have homes all over the world, and there's seas and lots of animals. The beach has sea dolphins and stingrays and sand sharks. It has a lot of waves in it, and big waves, and me and my brother, we play in the sand. The world is I have fun in it. I go to different places. Alaska has a lot of more snow than Arizona. It's very cold there. I've been to Pennsylvania, where I got to go sledding in the snow and play in the leaves, and I got to see spring things. I see cars and water and a little bit grass, and I see clouds, a little bit of grass. It's like a pretty big place.
What is the world like around you? We're going to be exploring that as we go through this lesson.
You may live up on the plains or near a hill or lake. Show you care about the earth, there's simple steps you take. Care for land and wildlife too, let's take care of our nation.
So looking at chapter 3, what is the world like? Think of a place you'd like to play outdoors. Draw what you see there. But I just wanted to take a moment to share with you a picture that I drew. I live near a park, and I like to go there sometimes with my hammock and read. And when I'm at the park, I hang up my hammock between two trees, and this is my hammock. I sometimes see flowers like dandelions around, and I also see people walking their dogs. This is a man walking his dog, another person way back over here, the sky, the sun, trees, me, and a book. I'd like you to also take time to draw an image. Think of a place where you like to play outdoors. Draw what you see there. We're also going to be reviewing some vocabulary. This is previewing some vocabulary. We have map. Can everybody find a map on this image? Oh, I see one there. A globe. Mountain. This might be a label in a picture maybe over here. Mountains. And I see some goats and some sheep on the mountain. A desert, over there again with the drawings. An ocean. If you look closely on this globe, there are two oceans labeled, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. And oceans are large bodies of water. Lake. There are lots of lakes around us, but in this image I see a lake here. This could be a pond, but it is labeled lake. Continent. Continent is a big mass of land. This looks like North America on this globe, and this is South America. In order to keep our planet safe, we talk about reduce, reuse, and recycle. And I see a recycling bin over here. Lesson 1, where things are located. Envision it. Circle the chair next to the desk. I would circle this one. I believe it is next to the desk. This chair is behind the desk. Look at the bookcase. What is to the left? Mark an X on it. Well, there's nothing to the right, but to the left, there is a flag. In this lesson, I will know that directions help us locate places and things. Our vocabulary pieces are direction and map. Direction words tell us where things are. A direction is a place to look or a way to go. Left and right are direction words. So are in front of and behind. In this picture, the bus is in front of the school. Do you see that? The bus is in front of the school. Where places are. We can use direction words to say where places are. In the picture, the firehouse is to the left of the brown house. The word left tells us where to look. So I see the firehouse. Oh, and it says the firehouse is left of the brown house. So we need to find the brown house first and then look to the left. And I agree, the firehouse is to the left of the brown house. If you would like to take time to draw this image, question 2 says, draw a tree to the right of the brown house. Draw yourself in front of the firehouse. Maybe you could draw a picture like that. Directions on a map. A map is a drawing of a real place. It shows where things are. Maps use the directions north, south, east, and west. Look at the map below. Put your finger on the school. Move your finger to the arrow marked west. The playground is to the west of the school. So the directions were to put your finger on the school, and I see the school here. And then it says, move your finger to the arrow marked west. And if I move over here, I see this arrow here and it says west. It says, what is east of the playground on the map? Well, I found the playground here. And if I go east so that I'm pointing to the east, what was east of the playground? I think it's the school. Can you find things that are south of the school? Now your assignment is main idea and details. Read the sentence below. Circle the main idea. I can use direction words to say where my bike is. My bike is behind the house. Now we need to circle the main idea. What do you think the main idea of this story is? This sentence is, I can use direction words to say where my bike is. That's the main idea, direction words. This is an assignment that goes along with the picture that I shared earlier in this video. Think of a place where you like to play. Use direction words and write where it is. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your day. I think I will end with a song.